welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious fish 65 recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. This is a very delicious and crispy recipe. It's a great starter too. So let's see the ingredients for this recipe. Today, I've taken about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt according to taste, 2 lime. We need the juice of the lime. Taken about 1 kg of fish, boneless fish, which is cut into cubes. Now in a bowl, let's add the 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt according to your taste, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and the juice of 2 lime. Now, let's mix all the ingredients together and make it into a thick batter. Now you can see that our batter is ready. Now let's add the fish into the batter and marinate it for about 2 hours. Now let's heat oil in a pan and let's drop the fish pieces one by one and fry them till they are nice and crispy. Now you can see that our fish is nice and crispy on the outside and juicy and tender in the inside. So similarly, fry all the pieces and keep it aside. It's a great starter and is also a great combination for rasam rice. So do try this delicious recipe. So that's it, friends. A delicious fish 65 is absolutely ready. Garnish the fish with some fried curry leaves or fried chilies and serve it with a squeeze of lime. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.